Naglabas na ng kanilang opisyal na pahayag ang cornerstone na talent management agency ng engaged couple na sina Sam Melby and Catriona Gray. Sa inilabas nilang pahayag, sinabi ng talent agency na nais nilang klaruhin ang mga lumalabas na balitang may kaugnayan umano sa hiwalayan ng dalawa. We at Cornerstone, as the talent management agency representing artists Sam Melby and Catriona Gray, would like to address the recent rumors surrounding their relationship. While it is true that Sam and Catriona are currently facing some challenges in their relationship, they are actively working on resolving these issues together. We kindly request that everyone respect their privacy during this time as they navigate through this situation. We appreciate the concern and well wishes from all those who have shown support for the couple. Matatandaan na umugong ang bali-balitang hiwalay na sila nang mapansin ng mga netizen na hindi nasuot ni Catriona ang engagement ring na bigay ni Sam. Mas tumindi pa ang chika ng maradar ng talent manager na si OG Diaz na nahiwalay na nga raw ang dalawa na sinabi ng kanyang reliable source.